it's Leah from the Relaxed Gal Beauty channel, and I have got another product first impressions video for you, and it is for a hair mask. Now, before I get into the whole trial and first impressions, if you are not a subscriber to the Relaxed Gal Beauty channel, please go ahead and become one. All you have to do is hit the red button down below this window and you can become a subscriber. And then if you want YouTube to notify you when I upload new videos, because you never know when a new video is going to come up, then you want to hit that bell next to that red subscribe button. Okay, so what product am I trying out for you today? Well, it is this one. It is the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Now, I got this free from SheaMoisture. I got 2 packs of these actually as part of the Shea Ambassador program. And I forgot that I'd stuck these in a closet somewhere and hadn't used them. And I said, oh my goodness, let's do this and let's do a video about it. So the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line has been around for a little while, and there are several products within the line. I think I've used, before this hair mask, 3 so far. I've used a leave-in conditioner, some other product that was in a bottle, I can't remember, and then the shampoo. And of those 3 products, the only one I'm still using is the shampoo. I love this one. It's a great sulfate-free, like, cleansing shampoo. It really gets your hair nice and deeply cleansed, I feel. So I will use that one quite often. But like I said, today I'm using the hair mask. But what is this line? What is the big deal about the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line? What is it supposed to do? Well, if you look at what's in the name of all the products, it talks about strengthening and restoring. And so really, in a nutshell, it is all about strengthening your hair, adding strength back to your hair so that you have elasticity, and then also that you're seeing less when it comes to breakage and shedding. And then it's also supposed to help restore and replenish moisture in your hair so that it's soft, manageable, and works well and looks good. So as I said, I've used a few different products from this line. This is my first time using the hair mask, so I'm going to show myself putting the hair mask on, how I used it, how my hair did with it on, and then I'm going to share my results of my hair, what I think about it, how my hair reacted to it afterwards. So stick around and here we go. Whew, fresh, clean hair. So I washed my hair with the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. I figured it was good to use as many of the products that I have currently on hand from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, since I'm going to be using the hair mask. Okay, so this is what I'm using as my deep conditioner. I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. And so this mask also has shea butter, peppermint, and keratin in addition to the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Okay, so this is what it says on the back of the package, that this is a deep conditioning mask that restores strength and resilience to damaged, brittle, or chemically processed hair. And it's perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair, as well as kinky, curly, or wavy natural styles. It's formulated with nutrient-rich Jamaican Black Castor Oil and certified organic shea butter to replenish moisture and soften while strengthening hair. It helps to promote growth by supporting hair's elasticity, reducing the appearance of breakage and shedding. Why reducing the appearance and not actually reducing breakage and shedding? Interesting. So here's how you're supposed to use the hair mask. After shampooing, apply a generous amount of the strengthening mask from root to ends and pay particular attention to hair ends. Then comb through for even distribution, place a plastic cap over hair, and sit under a warm dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. It may be left on hair up to 20 minutes without heat, and then you're supposed to rinse thoroughly and then style your hair as usual. I'm going to go ahead and let down my hair, but I'm going to section my hair. I'm not sure how I want to section it. I think I'll just do top to bottom with the sections. So we'll do a bottom section and top section, and I don't know if I'm going to need to use, because I've got 2 packets, I don't know if I'm going to need to use both or if I should just use, or if I'm just going to need one. So we'll see. I'm going to take one and open it and we'll get it out. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's really, it looks like silly putty. Oh my gosh, this is weird. It smells like like the shampoo, but it also smells like a putty. All right, so we go from root to ends. Just work it in. Supposed to pay special attention to ends. I mean, it seems to go on really well. Like it seems like it's sinking into my hair. All right, I'm gonna take the comb. You're supposed to comb it through. I wouldn't say it's got slip, but I don't feel like it's creating any resistance to my comb. Like, I don't know, it's going through easy enough, but I don't feel like it's making the combing easier, if that makes sense. All right, so combed it through that section to distribute, and now we'll do the top section. I think I'm good with just one packet. I don't need to. Apparently my hair is not as long or as thick as I thought, or we could say on the positive side, the package held more product than I thought it did. I am working it through. Now, this is not necessarily the way I typically deep condition my hair. Usually I'm a little more concerned about sections and how I'm applying it, but I'm feeling lazy today. Did some work around the house, so we're gonna just do it this way. But since I'm combing it through, which is not necessarily something I typically do, I feel like I can get away with doing this a little differently than normal. Okay, yeah, I totally did not need 2 packets. Like, I don't even think I need, like, I feel like 1 is too much, but I can't save it in that kind of container. So look at how much is left. So we just gonna slather it all on, just use it all up, work it all up in there. Pay some attention to my edges. Pay attention to my ends as well. Working all that product in. Still got a little bit in between my fingers. All right. Now I need to comb it through at the top section. Ooh. A little bit of a tangle. I love this seamless comb because my hair does not get snagged on it. It's wide, it's toothed, so it goes through my hair easier, but it still helps me to get out tangles that my hair might have. And I don't feel like I'm ripping my hair out, off, or whatever. So if you don't have a seamless comb, you probably ought to get one. This is the Hercules Zagman, I'm not even sure how to pronounce the name of the company, but I saw another hair blogger using this like, several years ago I got it, and had to get it myself, and so I've been using it ever since. But I know there's like other brands out there who have seamless combs, so you can definitely give those a try as well. Okay, I think I've combed through enough to distribute it, so now I'm going to put my hair back up in the clip. Let me see if I can find the clip. Here we go. All right, put my hair back up in the clip. Do that. And then I'm gonna get my shower cap and put on my deep conditioning cap and let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, the 10 minutes is up, so I'm gonna take this off, Let's see what my hair feels like before I rinse it out. Here's what my hair looks like with this SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Treatment Hair Mask. And I've sat under my hothead deep conditioning cap for about 10 minutes. So it's time to rinse this out. But my hair feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like it's been dried. It doesn't feel like brittle or hard or anything. And I'll give you a look at the back of my head so you can kind of see what it looks like with the product on. And so now I'm just going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to style my hair, or at least blow dry my hair. I don't really style it, but I'm gonna dry my hair, put all my regular products in, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay, it's been 2 days since I used this product, which is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask from SheaMoisture. And let's compare what it says that it does to how my hair felt. So it says it's supposed to replenish moisture and soften while strengthening your hair. I can't say that I feel like it replenished moisture, but it did add moisture to my hair. My hair wasn't like stripped of like all moisture. It did feel a little dry, but no more than usual than what usually happens when I wear my hair out a few days and I don't moisturize and seal as often as I should, and I go my full week or more between my hair washes. So I think it added moisture. I can't necessarily say it replenished moisture. It did soften my hair. Oh my goodness, my hair felt so soft after using it. I don't even think that I have another deep conditioner or hair mask that I've used that has made my hair feel as soft as this one did. It also says that it will strengthen your hair. Now, I can't say that I felt that. When I think about my hair being strengthened, I think about using a hard protein treatment, and my hair feels heavier and it does feel stronger after that, and I didn't have that feeling after using this. It's supposed to help promote growth by supporting your hair's elasticity and reducing the appearance of breakage and shedding. I don't know what reducing the appearance of it is. I just want you to reduce it. So I can't say that I've noticed it promoted growth because it's only been 2 days and I've used it once. So I feel like that's something that you would see if you use it on a consistent basis, or you could see. You may not see it, who knows. And then it also talks about leaving your hair soft, manageable, and shiny. I talked about my hair feeling soft. It really did. Manageable, I feel like it wasn't any more manageable than it typically is. So I can't say that I noticed any difference there. And then shiny, I have a hard time being able to tell if a product is making my hair shinier than it was before. So I can't say that I noticed that either. Would I use this hair mask again? I think I would. I would definitely use it again. Like I said, it made my hair feel soft. It didn't do anything negative to my hair. It helped to add some moisture back to my hair. But I don't think that I would replace either of the deep conditioners or hair mask that I'm using with this. I think this wouldn't even be something that I'd add to my hair regimen. It would be something that, oh, you know, I got it for free, or it may be on sale and hey, let's use this, or this would be a backup if I can't get my hands on one of the other deep conditioners or hair masks that I use. So this is more for me a backup than it is something that I would actually add to my regimen on a regular basis. All right, so those are my initial thoughts of this, the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I would love to hear any of your thoughts if you've ever tried this hair mask, so leave them in the comments below. Did you like it? Did you not like it? If you use it on a regular basis, have you noticed that it's helped to reduce breakage, the appearance, I should say, of breakage and shedding, or has it just reduced it? And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the Relax Gal Beauty channel, and then also like this video and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.